how it works. Oh, yeah. Yeah. So I got you.
Dead today, man. I'm gonna stay awake.
Yeah. All right, Nat, up here. Right up to the line.
Got it?
Yeah. All right, Nat, look behind you. Yeah, it's all good.
I got your poles, I know that.
Yeah.
You have a good day.
Yeah. Yeah, see, look at that. Not too bad.
Yeah, that wasn't too bad. Think that, so the run will be easier than getting on the lift?
I think so.
Sounds good.
Hopefully.
Hopefully. I guess it also serves as a green run.
Yeah. Yeah,
So you
it's,
don't have to do the
yeah, sort of easy. Yeah, because you saw at the bottom it kind of had the green circle and the blue square on the lift name.
This part doesn't look bad.
Yeah. Yeah, this chair is, because it runs slower, usually these chairs will swing a lot. You'll notice it kind of swings a lot more and kind of vibrates more.
So what are they doing?
That's like technically it's the bottom part of the 360 trail, which the bottom part is a blue run, even though it's mostly kind of flat.
Yeah. So then we are. Okay. It seems like there won't be that many other people on it.
Check this out. I almost touched a tower.
And I guess this one's longer than the other one?
Yeah, a little bit.
What's it called? Gallery.
Yep. Gallery. Yeah. So when we unload, we'll want to go to the left. That's where the intermediate slope is.
Go to the left?
Yeah.
Oh, it looks like there's a lot of holes in it.
Oh wait, no, the intermediate's also to the right. My mistake. Yeah.
What's to the left?
Just the holes.
I was gonna say that kind of looks like a shitty scheme.
Yeah. At least it's like fresh power though. Yeah, from yesterday.
I see there's some holes in this one.
Yeah.
Okay, this kind of looks the same as Little Sunday. It's definitely getting off up there.
Yeah.
Oh no, it's a little steeper.
Yeah, a little bit steeper, but like true intermediate this time. So if you can do this, you might be able to do central.
Might be able to do central as well.
Yeah, we'll do this a couple times.
Yeah. I think in this stage I should try to like master every run that we do until I guess I didn't master the other one. I fell twice, but. I'll keep working on stopping on the way down.
Yeah.
Moving off of the steep parts then. Or like, I won't do the hockey stop on the steep parts. I'll just do the stops I know.
Yeah, well, it'll be important to know how to do those on the steeper sections.
Do the hockey stop?
Yeah.
Well, I don't know how to do it, so.
Well, I guess you better start working on it.
I mean, that's what we were doing.
It's super important that you're able to stop on these steeper parts, because these ones, it's actually possible for you to start sliding down and not be able to stop yourself.
Okay.
Especially when it's icy. I've been on super icy terrain that's steep at Sun Valley.
Yeah.
Sun Valley can get icy, and man, if you like lose control and start sliding down, you're gonna end up like that guy in the video I showed you. You don't want to be like that.
So, to the right is the intermediate?
Yeah, this way.
To the left is the left.
I mean, to the left.
Or is that the green?
Oh, the greens and blue are this way. This one, that was going to be like a more tough intermediate right here. This side. But,
okay.
Yeah, that, see, like, it's got bumps on it. That's
is that where the... Is that the lift we were just on?
Yep.
Oh.
See, we go higher.
But not that much higher.
Yeah. Yeah. Alright, and then we're going to the right. And we don't have to raise the bar because there is no bar. Oh, yeah. We don't need the bar. Bars are overrated out here. There you go. This might be a little steeper than the playground. Oh, it's not that bad.
Oh, this is easy.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. You don't have to worry about getting hit in the head.
Oh yeah, it's just,
A little steeper. Yeah.
Guess just take it slow.
Yeah.